Hello, what is up guys? I'm Gordon and welcome to another video, or I would say another
Fitness Gordon bodybuilding documentary vlogs and
stuff. So a couple of videos ago I did a video regarding my diet. If I'm not mistaken, I've cooked salmon, hash browns and stuff. But as you can see, I am a little small and I am lacking of mass. So in order for me to obtain mass, I will need more calories because I work out every day, almost every day. So today we are going to cook a 950 calorie scrambled egg. So the first thing that we need will be a shaker, and then we'll need one of these mass gainer with like super high amount of calories and proteins. A single serving of this mass thing costs about 1,900 calories, so that is a little too much for an egg, so I would just need half a scoop of this, so that makes a 950 calorie. So how am I gonna do that? Take half a scoop of this and the shaker, put it in. There's 950 calories, and of course we need some sugar. A scoop of sugar shall do. And then we need some salt, and half a scoop of this salt shall do. Put in a little bit of warm water, like so, and then we're gonna shake it. Yeah. After shaking it, we are going to get our eggs. We need 3 eggs. There we go, that's our 3 eggs. The process is pretty simple. We just need to pour in the mixture into the egg solution and then get a spoon and stir it. As you see, with all the sugars and sodiums and then later on a little bit of oil on the pan, this thing can easily go up to like 1,000 calories. Okay, so what I'm doing here, I just put in a little oil over here just to oil up the pan a little bit. And then we are gonna put in the egg. Stir it. Just like how you make scrambled eggs. You know, it kind of looks kind of watery at first, but at the end of the day, after reducing all the water, it will become a perfect looking scrambled egg, but with 1,000 calories on it. So yep, this is how your scrambled egg should look like, and we are done. So let us deal with the plating right now. So yep, that is all for today guys. Like this video if you like it, dislike this video if you do not like it, leave a comment down below if you have any tips to share or any question to ask. Ring the bell notification button because more video is coming up really soon. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'm gonna get some calories in the body. Adios guys, and have a nice, beautiful day.